Hello, you guys. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing awesome and amazing. You guys, we'll get right into it. Thank you guys for being here with me. You guys are so awesome. You guys, before we get started, I just want to say, thank you guys for all your likes, your comments, your shares, and subscribes, and all that good stuff. Can you guys please just do me one favor? I got a little task for y'all. I just want you to write down in the comments one thing you learned today that you didn't know yesterday. Because it's like somebody, either your intellect or your intuition, it's on fire, and somebody's like, what the hell is going on? You hear me? Somebody trying to figure that shit out. Yeah, collective, y'all do that for me. We're going to get right into it, though, and see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. What's the message? Who is worried about the collective's intellect or their... Oh, okay. It's a mature woman here. A mature woman. She caused some type of chaos to a masculine over money. Ooh, you must know that. It's your aunt. It's your aunt and her child. They've been causing chaos and confusion in your life. Yeah, blockages here. Yeah, this mature woman's been blocked. Her ass could be in the house in bad health. Oh, she want to talk to you. She's trying to explain herself because she feel like, okay, this masculine could have left her out in the cold. Yeah. He could have been like, sowing his little seeds and pouring his little wild oats and his energy into somebody else. Here, Papa was a Rolling Stone. This person traveled a lot, and she did something. Yeah, that journey, he traveled a lot or something. I'm getting this is your aunt and her daughter. They're attacking your family. They trying to curse your family. Yeah, they want y'all to be in poverty. Oh, double poverty. For a long time. I'm getting like this been going on for 100 years. I'm hitting a century. That's 37, 37. Could be significant. 37 and 37 is 74, right? Yeah, 74 plus 35. That's 107. 109. Yeah, you mastered something. You figured it out. And this is putting somebody in concern. Look, this is a family. I'm hearing this. Somebody got married in the family. Married in the family for wealth. Yeah, and they try to change something about altering something. They did some type of spell on this man. Mind control on this man. This could be an older gentleman. He's sick too. Yeah, they gave him something. They was expecting some unexpected income from him. First of all, this masculine can be on his deathbed or he's real sick. But something done backfired to where her ass is sick. Yeah, man. They were in a relationship. Wow. She tried to trap this man. She in a religious group. She real religious or something. Yes, she go to church. She pay like a lot of tithes and offerings and shit, but it's a group. Like an underground group that keeps people trapped, stuck, binded. But it's a church. Yeah. They like steal people's light and their wealth, their journeys. Yeah, look, whoever her and the pastor, the preacher, whoever. Look, I'm telling you, this wealthy man. She's trying to get some insurance off this wealthy man. This is the wealthy man's lover. Wait a minute, hold up. She put something on this wealthy man to block him from being a Rolling Stone. Yeah. So she put something in his drink or in his food. She attached something to his vessel. A succubus energy. Yeah, she paid for this. She traveled for this. Get this done. But this wealthy man about ready to pay it so she can get some type of wealth. Yeah, she put a jinx on them so the lover of the wealthy man and the wealthy man will pass. And then she also jinxed the family where nobody would be in relationships. Look, anybody who was in a relationship, it's gonna be left out in the cold. Nobody's getting married. Her ass won't happy, so nobody can be happy. Oh wow. She could have. Oh wow. She could have sacrificed her children. One could have been 18 or something. They were between the ages of 18 to 21. Oh, she sacrificed 2 kids. The daughter, her and the daughter. They were fouls. Because they were expecting some type of money. Look, yeah, man. They look, I'm telling you, they want to be privileged, man. Look, I'm telling you, she married into this family. The main female that wanted to be privileged here. She married this man. She got a message that he had a side bitch. She changed. Oh, he had a side child that was a little girl. Oh, you got an outside family. You got this bitch pregnant. Oh, she went ham. She traveled and got work done on him and the lover. But something backfired. It was blocked. This mature woman was blocked. She's in bad health. Yeah, her ex in bad health in the house. Whatever. Oh, wow. He done bought the other woman a house, too? Or she was living in the house? She got that message. Oh, bitch, you pouring in over there? Yeah, this mature man. Oh, no, it's not going down like that. Oh, she started working hard. I'm talking about double overtime. Doing work on people. Ain't nobody gonna be happy. Somebody bought them a new house too, but they finna have to move up out of their house. They could use that masculine's name, and he's in bad health. He can't. I'm getting like he. Somebody might have epilepsy, high blood pressure. Somebody may have to take like a sedative or something. Something about bowel and secretion. I don't know what the fuck. Ooh, excuse me. I don't know what that is. Yeah, whatever she was doing, she was causing a lot of confusion and disorder in somebody's family. Somebody got some twins. I'm hearing 2 sets of twins. Wow, I just heard clear as day, red, black. Wow. Y'all, I said meet the blacks. Okay. Wow, is that what I heard? Is that what I heard, spirit? Oh. Oh, wow, look what fell out. The robber. Oh, was ready, prompt. Shut the hell up to cause an accident to somebody. Put somebody in danger because they were all in that ego. Bitch, man with the stuck face. So the plan was to make somebody sick. Somebody got an STD, STI, bad health. They wanted somebody to have irregular periods and, well, like, problems with their sexual organs and things. If somebody, they did something when somebody got pregnant, yeah, they collab with people. Look, they paid somebody to cause conflict. Didn't I say confusion and disorder? So somebody would end. They were designed for somebody to end or die. But somebody knew that they were soulmates. Wow. But somebody was stubborn. They want to hear that shit. So their goal was to place an illusion like they were the person. And the whole time, the person that they were sneaking off to see, or the other woman, whoever, that was their real person. The wife or whatever, that was not their person. Not at all. She robbed and stealed and killed for her person, honey. She was sacrificing her own kids. Is that what it is? That's too much. She overindulging a lot, causing challenges and blockages. She sacrificed her own kids. You hear me? Her own damn family. Do you hear me? Yeah, she tried to bind him and keep him stuck because she wanted the family. She wanted the sweet dreams. They made her satisfied too. Ooh, and you living and you learning. Didn't I ask you what you learned today, Collective? You can relax. Somebody see you relaxing. And somebody want to apologize because they're scared. They're suffering. They going through a terrible moment. They knew it was a big risk. Man, they paid a lot of money to try to curse and heck somebody. They seen you, they try to cause a disaster till you get good news, good luck, good fortune. Because they've been taking that from you and your family for a long time. Yeah, so they try to curse you from being a fortune teller or reading cards where you couldn't read it or whatever. So they're trying to control your memory, your gifts. Wow. So they can get victory and success. Yeah, you support these people. Wow, now they're worried about a death. Yeah, this group, this organization, secret society, this church, this coven, whatever it is, there they all conflicted fighting because somebody know they finna have a accidental death around because that's what you told them. They were watching you online. Yeah. Yeah, somebody out there, they pray. They know they weak. Because they were trying to schedule a plan to trap your damn... Try to trap you from talking to somebody. They wanted you, they were trying to trap you and block you from talking to this family, block you from, I don't know, they were just placing a lot of blockages on your family in general. Somebody in your family could be going to jail for what they did. What's this? Confinement. Yeah, your family been in bondage, I'm telling you. Somebody worked hard. They feel like they were obligated to keep this curse going for a long ass time. Somebody could be born between, what that, 56 to 65. Wow, Collective. Yeah, they scared. Look, I'm telling you, whoever this woman is, they married her to your, she bonded to this magic, I'm telling you. Man, look, I'm telling you, man. She married into the family to bind this man in marriage. So, like, whatever if they got married, it's like she did some type of curse to bind him. She did a spell on him so he wouldn't travel. But he still traveled and made an outside child. But guess what? Like I said, somebody's real spiritual here. These three people, this couldn't be like a daughter too. They traveled to get this magic done on some kids. They sacrificed their kids to get a blessing here. That was the plan. They strategize with friends here. Yeah, and they try to make you sick. Because you know your self-worth and you figure some shit out. They stressed out. They watching you online. They hesitating. Yeah, because they know they're going through an ending. It's the end of an illusion. You know what's going on. You can see their ass. Look, now they want to withdraw. Because they mad because they been blocked. They can't get into your energy or block you. They're trying to cause you some type of stagnation here. Because they feel like you unpleasant, honey. You unpleasant. You piss them off when you talk. Who gives a damn? Because you've been awakened to what the hell they been doing. Yeah, you done broke the damn curse. Yeah. You broke the damn curse, collective. Because you the fucking tarot reader. Or you got a reading done. Or you the fortune teller, whatever. Yeah, you learn how to control your gifts. Yeah, you got victory and success. You're very much so talented here. You're very skilled. You achieved whatever it was you set out to do, collective. Yeah, whoever this dictator is that's been getting readings done on you for a long time trying to curse you. Ooh, they hate you, collective. They want you to have a misfortune. They've been using them voodoo dolls and stuff. Ooh, they've been going to their friends trying to figure it out. It got to be a Leo or something. Or somebody's just real stubborn. They got a big ass ego. Whoever this family is. You done block their ass. You know the truth. What's going on? Give me a secret real quick. What's going on? But I can't tell you my secret. I'm ashamed. You already know it. It came out in reverse. They mad because somebody had a secret lover. These keep on coming out. Doing doing spells to stop you from being grateful because they want you to stay in this karmic cycle that's been going on for a century. Like, what? Or they thought it was going to go on for a century. Take how it resonate. Somebody's address or birthday is 109, 107, something like that. $107. Somebody a crip. Somebody a crip. Somebody, I don't know, something, I'm hearing something that's not good for pregnant people. Something that's not good for pregnant people. What's not good for pregnant people? Something's not good for pregnant people. So, yeah, something is being rejected. And they made something was blocked. Oh, wow, they try to call somebody an accident with a pregnancy or something? Is that what that is? Oh, wow, look. Spirit, what the fuck going on? The third wheel? Oh, wow. They were saving. They try to make somebody have a miscarriage, y'all. Or something like that. Yeah, somebody is mad because something was blocked. They're trying to cause an injury here. This enemy saved up to place an illusion here. They paid somebody. Parenthood. To mess with their parenthood. Somebody's using. Somebody tried to use some. Hey, mugwort. How you say it? Mugwort. Don't drink that shit if you pregnant. Tea or whatever. Don't eat that. Somebody may be trying to put that in somebody's food. Or that's what they did in the past. Mugwort. Something like that, y'all. Ooh. It's a lot. These readers been like crazy. Crazy. Who is this older woman? Who is this hypo? Cancel. Who is this? Who is this woman? Who is this woman? A Capricorn. So what, Cancer and a Capricorn could have been competing here? For stability in a relationship with a masculine. Who was the masculine then? What's his name? He must just got a little money. He could be a Libra. He got a little money. So they were trying to grow and expand with him. I say he got a good job. But somebody said, somebody talks real fast and they talk funny. Like I said, it could be a Leo here. Could be a Libra or a Virgo. That's what I'm getting the message. Could be a Leo, Libra, or Virgo. Or something just coming to the light. Some truth that's coming out in Virgo season. I said he got a good job. Like, who the hell? I don't know who talk like that. That's somebody older. Cancer, Capricorn, a woman. That could be a Leo. The woman could be a Leo, a Libra, or a Virgo too as well. Take it how it resonates. But yeah, that's what I have for you guys. I'm eating right there. I'm gonna love you to life.